The government today announced that it would be putting an extra €2 billion aside for the Metro as part of the National Development Plan. But the Metro has been long talked about. It was first mooted back in the year 1975 when transport chiefs put forward an ambitious plan for an underground rail system that would be stationed at Temple Bar. Eventually, we saw Public Enterprise Minister Mary O'Rourke in 2000 announce a plan for an underground rail system in Dublin. In 2015, the then Transport Minister Paschal Donohoe came out and announced plans for a Dublin Metro. In 2022, Paschal Donohoe came out again and he was joined by Green Party leader and Transport Minister Eamon Ryan talking about how the Metro system has now gotten preliminary approval from Cabinet. And now in the year 2025, still no sign of a shovel in the ground. Some €300 million has been spent so far on the planning and design process. The Metro has been in the planning process for the past 3 years and a decision is expected on it soon. Dublin's Metro line is going to stretch from the north side into the city centre. It's going to have 16 stops. And even though initially those plans in the year 2000 were forecasting for the Metro to be finished in 2016, there is no sign of it yet. The plans announced in 2015 said that the Metro would conclude in 2026 or 2027. The government is now paying MetroLink chief Sean McSweeney some €550,000 a year to get the Metro done. Taoiseach Micheál Martin today said there is a definitive commitment to finally delivering the Metro. But can the government be trusted? Watch this space.